Hello, technical team. We are again giving lectures on electric generation and the transmission and the distributed guidelines. Our channel maqsad, aim or an subject is this to prepare professional engineers through these lectures. So please keep surprise me and still not yet surprised. And if you already subscribed, please comment below if you required any topic about the electrical generation, transmission and the distribution. Team will be provided you. So today our topic is 400 kV substation arrangement and the designing and their reliability. Means the difference in the substations 11 kV or a 400 kV substations, what the substation have a difference. Substations are designed for according to the voltage in the utilization of their countries, and the 400 substations or 11 kV substations are designed on a utilization and the what the requirement of a customer or any distribution company. These substations are designed. So we have a special focus on 400 kV substations. The secure of power in increasing in a society which leads to higher demand of availability of electric power. The availability wills can be defined as a fraction of a time that is an electric power is available in a certain point in the network during given time intervals. Means these substations are already designed, but according to the population and the utilization of a power, substations are day by day increased to utilize the proper power supply to their device and the industrial consumers. The component of availability is called unavailability, and its friction time that the electric power is unavailable in a certain points of a network during a given time intervals. Most of electric power in Sweden transmitting through a 400 kV substation, that is the power of a main grid. Many of a 400 kV substations in the main grid and today old and needs of a modern rise. Means these substations is designed in a different way, but a modern or any line loss controls we have increased the voltage. It has also in the last year occurred in the number of a fault in a substation that has increased the actuality, the making substation more reliable. The term of a reliability is closely related to the terms available and can be defined as a probability of a failure free opening in the operations of a system for a specific period in time in a specific environment. Means it's also depend upon the failures of a substation. Means the old substation are in a substations which are a hazard for using, so we have to require to replace time to time according to their tools and equipment warranties. One major difference between the reliability concept and the availability system is concept that the availability can be decreased by both planned and unplanned unavailability, while the reliability and concept only considered the equipment availability of a function of a correctly when it is in a service. Means these substations have required a service day by day. The nuclear power station 1 and the 2 and 3, which are owned the company OGAB, produce approximately 10% of a total consumption of electricity in a different countries, are directly connected to the 400 kV substation owned by a, that is built by a tree, as well as connected to the 400 kV substation through the 130 kVA substations. It means that if the power plant gives the 133 kVA, then it will be able to utilize on a 400 kV substations through their transmission system. The 400 kVA substation needed now to be replaced due to its age and due to the upgradation of active power output capacity of generators. Means it does these substations depend upon the generation and are a national grid position. Some of substation has been proposed the two breaker arrangement design for a new substation and asked to give their opinion on a suggestion design. That a suggestion design consists of a double bus bar and double disconnecting breakers. Disconnect the breakers DCB, which is the disconnector function integrated in a circuit breaker to DCB, in replacing the conventional combination of a circuit breaker and a separate disconnectors. The existing substation consists of a 4 bus bar, of which one is the transfer the bus bar using a bypass fault in even of a fault in any of a device in a substation. Existing the substation has a reliability and the large flexibility to change the connection by opening of a circuit breaker and disconnectors. According to this statement, we have that if you install the 3 or 2 breakers on their bus bar of a substations, then we have partially normalized the area, partially normalize the side, and we will work on the other side. Means whole substation is not affected through these breakers on off and as a bus couplers. And we have already clear that if any unwanted fault is occurred in a substation, we have one by one try and clear that the fault where the fault has been goes. Substations are designed for their power arrangement and their compression of powers, and also the more voltage are given that because of line losses, cover the line losses due to their pressurize their voltage. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me still not subscribed yet, and also if you watch my video, please comment below. I will know their comment. And also thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me still not yet subscribed. Thank you.